What is the difference between synchronous and asynchronous? Synchronous and asynchronous motors are both commonly used AC motors. A synchronous motor is the heart of the power system. It is a combination of rotation and static, combining electromagnetic changes, which realizes the conversion of electrical energy. Its dynamic performance is very complex, and its dynamic performance also has a great impact on the dynamic performance. Asynchronous motors are also called induction motors, is caused by the air gap, interact with the rotor windings induced current to generate electromagnetic torque. To realize the conversion, converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. The speed of the rotor of an induction motor is different from the speed of the rotating magnetic field. It always maintains relative motion, and is always lower than there is a certain amount of difference. Three-phase asynchronous is mainly used as a motor to drive various production machinery, such as fans, pumps, compressors, machine tools, light industry, and mining, thresher and grinder in agricultural production, processing machinery in agricultural products, etc. Simple structure, easy to make, low price, reliable operation, with high operating efficiency, and have suitable working characteristics.